What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some workouts using our wall. Since all the gyms are closed, I'm trying to improvise for you guys. Everybody has walls at their house, so this is a great way to use your wall and not do too many laying down, sitting down workouts. So go ahead and follow along. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and let's get into the workout. I'm going to be kind of facing the wall a lot of this video, so hopefully you don't think that's rude, but we're going to be doing wall push-ups, leaning up against the wall and doing a push-up. This is a great way to do a push-up and add a little bit of resistance, kind of like if I had a chair and we were doing seated push-ups or chair push-ups. That could be another way, but using your wall is a great way to not get on the ground. I know a lot of us, we don't want to get down on the ground. It's a lot, it could be hard on our knees, things like that, our back. So using a wall is a really good way of still getting the same resistance, but not getting on the floor. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 15 of these wall push-ups. Go ahead and follow along whenever you're ready. I'm gonna put my arms out wide just because I really wanna target this back area and also around my boobs, the side of my boobs. If you're a dude and you're working on your chest or your pecs, you can put your arms in closer. Depending on what you wanna work out, just shift your arms around. All right, that's 15. Take a 10-second break and then we're gonna get into set 2. I'm just gonna move into the middle of the camera here. So for this next workout, we're gonna be doing wall sits, and what you wanna do is you wanna build your body into a chair pretty much and just sit on the wall. Put your arms on your knees or your arms out, whatever is more comfortable for you. We're gonna be sitting here for 30 seconds. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 30 seconds. So grab your phone and go ahead and time yourself. I'm just gonna put my phone right here on my knee and start. Go ahead and stand up. Something I want to tell you, but I can't really show you because my wall isn't facing this way. But when you do a wall sit, and this is mostly girls, I think, you want to kind of arch your back and poke your butt out, and like the middle of your back isn't fully touching. So you can see my hand right here. The middle of your back isn't fully touching the wall. So what you want to do is you kind of want to bring your pelvis forward and sit lower so that you engage these middle muscles in your abs and you feel the burn throughout your entire body. I know that's something that I used to do before I knew a lot about form. So just a tip to really get that full burn. If you don't want to engage your abs, yeah, you can still sit with your butt poked out like that, and you will feel the burn in your lower legs. But wall sits are for your entire body to tone and tighten. So you really want to make sure that you bring your pelvis forward or inward and you just sit back so that your entire back is touching the wall. So whenever you guys are ready, let's get into our second set. All right, give yourself a 10-second break, and then we're gonna do our last set of these. These aren't that bad, but it's a great way to use the wall in your house and still get a little workout in first thing in the morning. So this next workout we're gonna do is calf raises, and what you can do, I'm gonna just hold the side of the wall so you guys can actually see what I'm doing versus going right here. And this exercise is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. You're just going to raise your feet off the ground onto your tippy toes. Now there's different ways to do calf raises. You can do calf raises with your toes pointing in, pigeon-toed basically, and raise here. That hits a different muscle, your outer calf. You can do regular, which just hits the center calf, or you can do feet out, which hits the outside of the calf as well. And we're doing 3 sets of 20, so go ahead and follow along whenever you're ready. All right, take a 10-second break. Whenever you're ready, let's do set 2 together. All right, give yourself a 10-second break, and then we have one more set. All right, let's start our last set. Good job. 10-second break, and then we're gonna get into our last exercise for this video. This last workout is called linear acceleration leg drills, and I'm gonna have to face away from you guys, but what you wanna do is you wanna back away from the wall and put your arms all the way completely out like this, all the way out. And then you're going to bring your legs in like you're running and kick them as high as you can into your chest. We're gonna do 3 sets of 17. So whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and follow along.
Into the night, I will keep you close by my side, never letting you drift away. Keep me safe until...
All right, take a 10-second break, and then we're gonna get into set 2. All right, go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then set 3. Good job, everyone. This is a super beginner routine for anybody who just wants to get a little workout in, and it's really easy because you can just use any wall in your house. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.